been chasing my dreams.
Peace be upon you.
Upon you too.
How are you, my lovely students?
Fine, thank you.
What a very smile, mashallah, very nice smile. Okay, so today, inshallah, we have a very nice lesson. We're gonna revise a little about the previous lesson. Ready? Did you revise at home?
Yes.
Yes, let's see. Bismillah. Okay, now we have a quick revision about the last week lesson. Define the matter. Who's going to tell me what is the definition of a matter? What is a matter? Come on. Yes, don't feel shy. Yes, Ryan?
Is a material that has a mass.
Has a mass.
Or weight.
Or weight. Excellent. And fill?
And fill space.
And fill space. Big clap for Ryan. Fantastic. Second question is, what are the three states of matter? What are the three states of matter? We have three states of matter. What are they? Maya?
Gas.
Thank you. Gas. Saja?
Liquid.
Liquid. Amazing. Hala?
Solid.
Solid. Amazing. So we have three states of matter. Now, we have another question. Melting means changing the matter from what to what? Remember, melting. Huh? Yes, Malak. From solid to liquid. Big clap for that. Dora is going to give me an example of melting. Something that melts.
The ice.
Ice cream, ice, excellent. When you leave it outside, it's going to melt. Excellent, amazing. Excellent, my students. Now, we have, I want you to see this video and tell me what is remind you. What's this?
Rain.
Yes, Sammy. Yes, start.
Wow, I love the rain.
Amazing, she loves the rain.
The weather is amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Where the rain is coming?
From where the rain is coming?
We don't know. Let's ask Miss Anisa.
So today, inshallah, we are going to learn how the rain is coming. Do you love rains?
Yes.
Excellent. Now let's start. I divided the students into groups. Each group are going to explain a little about the water cycle. First, who's going to tell me what's the meaning of the word cycle? Cycle. In English. It's an English word. What is the meaning of cycle? Yes, brainstorm. Yes, think? Yes, Maya?
Life. Water.
What's the meaning of the word cycle in English? Cycle.
How?
Huh?
It's a lot.
What's the meaning of the word cycle? Bicycle. Water cycle. Yes. Huh? Jannat, what do you think? What's the meaning of the word cycle? Yes? What's the meaning of the word cycle? Only Wafa. Wafa. Turning of something. Excellent. What else?
Rounding of the.
Rounding. Amazing. What else? Round. Something is rounded in shape. Something is circle in shape is called cycle. So the water cycle. What is the water cycle? What do you think? What's the water cycle? Water, all of us know what is the water. But what is water cycle? Mara?
Life.
Life, okay, a life cycle. We are born, then we die, a new one is born again. This is life cycle. What about water cycle? Rafiq? The process. Amazing, big clap. Now, so let's start. Group number 1. Okay. Yes. In group number 1, they are going to explain about what is the first step in the water cycle. Okay, before that, what is the objectives of our lesson? So today you are going to be able to recognize the meaning of water cycle. What's the meaning of water cycle? explain the meaning of water cycle by simple words, and thank Allah who gave us the water cycle. Yes, let's see. Now, open your books, page 63, all of you. Yes, thank you, student. Thank you, Jumana, Warud, mashallah. Good job, Wafa, Maram, Layan, mashallah. Great, Rafim, and this group. Now, you have a picture in this page, right? Can you describe what have you seen in this picture? What have you seen in this picture? Let's start with Layan. Layan?
The rain from the clouds.
The rain is falling from the clouds. Excellent. Fatima, what have you seen?
Clouds.
Clouds. Excellent. What else? Malak? Rainy day. What else? Tasneem?
The water is getting it's getting inside.
The water, yes. Get inside? Inside the mountains, inside the ground. Excellent. Jannat?
I see the sun.
She see the sun. Amazing. Yes, Wurud?
The sun, the water.
Okay, wait. We are going to explain in details. What have you seen just in this picture? Yes, Sajjad? Excellent. Sun. Excellent. Sun, rain, clouds, earth, and yes, Lofa.
Lakes.
And lakes, seas. Excellent. Amazing. Okay, now group number 1. Let's listen to your friends what they are going to say and do. Yes, Jannah. Yes, Jumana, stand up.
The sun rises up and sends its golden rays. Water and seas, rivers and lakes start to be hot.
Okay, did you hear what Jumana said?
Yeah.
Jumana, can you say it again? A little slowly, stand up.
The sun rises up and sends its golden rays.
Uh-huh.
The water and seas, lakes and rivers start to be hot.
Amazing, fantastic, big clap for Jumana. So, Sajjad, what we call this process? Where's the paper?
This process is called heating.
Show your friends. Say it again.
This process is called heating.
Big clap for Sajjad. Okay, so what is the meaning of heating? When the sun rays up, the sun is sending its golden rays and we feel hot, right?
Yeah.
The hotness of the sun is making the water started to change into another matter. Now it is liquid. It's going to change about to something different. Yes, now group number 2. Where's group number 2? Yes? Yes, Tasneem? Stand up here.
The water vapor rises into the sky.
Again, can you raise your voice? The water vapor.
Water vapor rises into the sky.
Into the sky. Excellent. Big clap for Barak. Yes, Barak, show your friends the paper.
We call this process evaporation.
Evaporation. Big clap for Barak. Again, say after me. Evaporation.
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 Excellent. So, as your friend says, what's the meaning of the word evaporation? Okay. So, when the sun rays up, send the heatness, okay? So the water started to change from liquid into gas, which we call it water vapor. Excellent. Big clap for group number 2. Group number 3. Yes? Wait, where is the cloud? Yes, you can take this one, or this one is bigger. Can you take this one? Yes. Can you raise your voice?
Water vapor condenses into cloud. It cools down and shrinks back into drops of water.
Amazing, big clap for Rafid.
This process is called condensation.
Amazing, another big clap for Rafid. Okay, so when the water vapor condensed or reached the clouds, it started to change from gas into
Liquid.
Amazing. So we call this process condensation. Say after me. Condensation.
Condensation.
Water condense.
Water condense.
Amazing. Let's see the last group. Yes, group number 4. Okay, before starting, the rain is falling. Now notice that this group is changing the cloud from, wait a minute, from white in color into gray in color. What do you think? Why that color of the cloud changed from white into gray? Yes, ma'am.
I think because when it's heavy from the
Can you
water,
stand up? Raise your voice, say your answer.
I say maybe because it's heavy from the water.
Maybe because it's full of water.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Is she right?
Yes.
Big clap for Maya. Amazing. Now, group number 4. Yes, Wafa.
Rainwater runs over the land and collects in lakes and rivers, which take it back to the
That's it. Again, Alpha, please.
rainwater.
Yes.
Rainwater runs over the land and collects in lakes and rivers, which take it back to the sea.
Amazing. Leah?
The rain falls down and the water cycle starts all over again.
Amazing. Big clap for yourself. So what is happening in group number 4? The cloud become heavy. Then the rain fall down. Where is the water goes? Can you see the picture and tell me where is the water goes again? Where? What about the others? Yes, Wurud?
To the sea.
To the sea. Is it only to the sea? Excellent, Wurud. Fantastic. Yes, Bala.
And river.
And rivers. Amazing. Yes, excellent. What else, Rafiq? Lakes. Raba. Rivers. Excellent. Amazing. So, yes, Jannah. Do you have an answer? Mountains. Yes, fantastic. Now I want you to give a big clap for your friends. You can turn back to your places. Thank you. So this is the water cycle. Okay. So the water of the rain, when it is fell down, it goes into lakes, rivers, seas, under the ground, and it turns back again where the sun comes and the water is heating and the rain is coming over and over again. Because of that, we call it a water cycle. Now, what is the importance of the water? The water is something very valuable, right? Now, we are going to listen from our friend Maya. What is the importance of the water? How can we keep the water? Maya, come.
The water is.
Can you come and stand up here? Come on. Raise your voice.
The water is very important for every creature like us. We use it with showering, drinking, and washing clothes. So we need to save the water by use the water as only we need,
Amazing.
and building dams, and this is how we save the water.
Amazing, big clap. Maya said we can keep the water by building dams. You know what's the meaning of building dams?
Yeah.
Yes, Ma'arib Dam in Yemen. Yes, to collect water. Now I want to ask you a question, very important question. How can you take care of the water? Right? Who's going to tell me how can I take of the water? Water is something valuable from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. How can I stop israf? And how can I take care of the water? Give me ideas. Yes, Leah?
We have to take all that we need just.
Yes, what we need only. Amazing. Big clap for Leah. What else? Ideas. Yes. Yes, Sajad?
We don't stop.
Yes. Don't waste a lot of water. Yes.
Because I'd close the.
Fantastic. Amazing. Did you use water at home?
Yeah.
Did you, wash clothes?
Yeah.
Are you spend a lot of water to wash?
No.
Yes. Are you washing the dishes, helping your mom?
Yes.
Are you just opening and washing and yes, you are taking care of the water. Amazing. Great job, my lovely students. Okay. Now, in this picture, there is something, 4 pictures. Can you look at it? You have 1 minute to think about it. Then discuss in groups. What have you seen here? What is going to happen here? Yes. to take it down, Tasneem is still hot. Yes, in groups. Class.
Yes.
Now who's going to tell me what is in the pictures? Let's start with this side. Malak. Okay, when we put the water on a fire or we heat it, it's changed into water vapor. Amazing. So we call this process as Malak. What we call it? Evaporation. Amazing. Fantastic. Next. Who's going to explain the next picture? Yes, Tasneem.
When you put the cup in the hot water, and then it will get fire. When you close it, it will get evaporation.
Get evaporation, yes. So is it evaporation in this picture?
No.
Tasneem, stand up. Who's going to explain the third picture? This, yes. We heat it and it changed into water vapor. Then it's not evaporation now. It's going to change into something different. Yes, Jumana? Yes, can you stand up and explain how? What's the difference between this step and this step?
The water vapor goes to the
cover.
Yeah, to the cover of the glass. So it's like the cloud. The cloud just behave and just fall. Like
yes, amazing.
It's full.
So what's happening here? Can you describe what's happened on the cover? There's something in the cover. What is it?
It contains the drops of the water.
Drops of water. Amazing. What we call this process when the gas change again into water? What we call it? What is the name of the process? Who's going to tell me what's the name of the process? Yes, Rafi. Condensation. Big clap. Amazing. Stand up. Say it again. Condensation. Big clap for Urul. Tasneem, stand up. What's the name of this process? Changing into gas. Evaporation. Big clap for Tasneem. Now we have a very nice activity. Okay? In this activity, there is some envelopes here.
Yeah.
What are you going to do? The leaders of the group are going to take one envelope. Inside it, there is about 4 sentences. They are disordered, right? You are going to arrange the sentences using some stickers to make the sentences in order. Yes, but wait. When you hear the music, you are going to start. Yes, in 1, 2, 3, start. Time is up. Let's see. Have you done?
Yes.
Yes, amazing. Yes? Have you seen it? Have you done? Can I see it?
We start from here.
Wait. Okay. Water vapor condensed into water. Okay.
No, from the sun.
Yes. Can you stand up? Group number 4. Big clap for them. Notice that the sentences are arranged correctly and they are turned back as a circle, which means the water pulled down again, the sun came again, heat up the water, change into water vapor, then water again and it's fell down. Big clap for group number 4. Let's see. The sun heats up. Amazing. Big clap another for group number 1. And show me yours. Have you done? Yes, amazing. This group 2, big clap for them. And the last group. Okay, now Wala, stand up and take the circle. Can you explain it? Why it is circle in shape? Come here. Yes.
Because how it's recording the water.
Okay, following the water over again and again. Say it. And again, big clap for Bara. Because of that, we call it water cycle because it's working as a cycle. Fantastic. Great job. This is a big clap for you. Now let's listen this nice song about the water cycle.
On the ground, water then it turns to water vapor. Condensation takes over, it goes up to the clouds. Water vapor cools down and it changes to a liquid form. Precipitation happens when the drops get big. It falls like rain, snow, sleet, and hail upon my head. I know it's the water cycle happening again. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation. Water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth. The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth. Evaporation comes when the heat from the sun warms up all the groundwater, then it turns to water vapor. Condensation takes over, it goes up to the clouds. Water vapor cools.
Okay. So the last but not the least. So first was going to tell me the process. In a hurry, hurry up. The first process was
Heating.
heating. Excellent. The second, Leon. No. Second, heating. Then evaporation. Amazing. The third is Fatima. Condensation. And the last one, Malak. The rain is falling down. Excellent. So today's lesson was about the water cycle. Water cycle is happening in 4 processes. The first process is heating. The second process is evaporation. The third is condensation, and the last is the rain is falling down. And this is happening over and over again. Thank you for your listening, and I want you all to open your notes and write. Okay, yes, girls. So by these, by those sentences, we have finished today's lesson about the water cycle. Water cycle happens in 4 processes. Those 4 processes is very important. So notice that the water is very valuable. So we have to take care about every drops in our life. And I want you all to clap for yourself. Great job, all of you.